If your UK visa was refused and you believe the decision was incorrect, you may be able to challenge it using the Pre-Action Protocol, or PAP. This process allows you to formally request a review of your case before lodging an appeal. Start by carefully reading the refusal letter to understand the grounds of rejection. Then draft a formal PAP letter addressing each point raised by the Home Office. Include any missing or updated evidence, such as proof of funds, ties to your home country, or sponsorship documents. That supports your case. Send the letter via email to the legal representative listed in the refusal notice, if any, or to the Home Office. Wait for a response within 14 to 28 days. If successful, your case may be reconsidered without going to court. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more UK visa guidance.